Hey guys, this is Christian. I'm back. Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I just want to give you a run through of what I was able to do for the No Paper Left Behind challenge. Shout out to Daniela Haynes. So I'm going to start. These are all the goodies that I got from the 12 by 12 sheet from My Mind's Eye called My Story. Everyone has a story to tell from Tuesday morning. So let's start. I'm going to start with the bag toppers. I was able to make several bag toppers from the collection. 1, 2, 3. And then this is the last one. Very cute. I love how it turned out. They're so pretty. And then these are some of what's left behind. And I have all these more to play with. Which is super awesome. I've never done this challenge before. And then I made some goodie bags. Simple goodie bags that we have. There's another embellishment. And this one. Another embellishment right there. So that's 1, 2, 3. And this is the last one. I'm going to be giving this to my friend Debbie. Next, I made 2 envelope mini albums that you can use scrapbooking, make lists. So I'm going to start. Just an envelope. I just embellished it a little bit with some of the embellishments. Simple banner, decorative paper clip, heart inspired by Maggie Holmes, another banner right there. So there's a lot. You can put pictures in here. You can insert memorabilia, anything actually. My favorite, the coffee cups. I love those. Some hearts as part of the collection. I use this as a jumping point. And of course, right there. So pretty. I love how that turned out. Next one. This is the other envelope. And it's not decorated. I'm going to leave it to the person to decorate it. But I decorated the front part. And last one, last part of it is this embellishment book that is inspired by Bona and Crafting with Liller. Shout out to the ladies that are super creative. Thank you for the inspiration. This is the front, just layered. Some die cuts and cut aparts from the sheet. This is what it looks like. Rosette, a banner, globe. This, you can easily remove this so that the recipient can easily use this for their own crafty adventures. There. Some paper clips, some ephemera, these flags. So she can use that because I used it in the front page. I think it's really, really cute. It adds so much dimension. I think it's super fun. It's a great idea. And then right there, some more that you can remove and put in your crafting. There. Just stuff that I was able to cut apart. And I think it looks super, super pretty. DIY embellishments are awesome. I really, really hope that this inspired you to make and use your stash. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please like, subscribe, and share the video if you would like. Thank you for your support and have a wonderful crafty day.